A perfectly executed submission. And that attack was dodged. There's the escape.
Undertaker, way too experienced to get caught by that.
Oh, man, what a shot to the face.
Wow, there's some big power in those shots. And that one hurt his hand.
Oh, and a nice elbow.
He's putting those educated feet to good use.
Swift kick. I can only imagine the force behind those shots from the dead man. What a nasty elbow.
Ooh, hard shot by Undertaker. Oh, big elbow. That should do it. Oh, man, that could be a knockout.
A huge...
Whoa! Hey, man, there's no getting up from that.
Uh-oh. He's in position, ready to strike.
Whoa! This is bad news! Oh my God! Did you hear that tombstone pile driver? It's gotta be over!
And he strikes with a quick kick. Undertaker looked...
Oh! Lights out!
That hand, that massive hand.
Oh, what a choke slam from the Phenom. Look at the sinister eyes of The Undertaker.
Taker, good grief, over the top rope. And he almost came down on the back of his head.
Undertaker's thinking about it again.
Tombstone pile driver. The dead man just put the final nail in the coffin.
You know what this is?
The crowd's on their feet.
Undertaker's looking for some massive impact.